Well, this is just a quick update on what I've been doing during the time that I've been home. I don't work for Dunkin' anymore. So now, what to do with my life, right? Well, I did find another job. And now, during this time that I have some time off, I figured I'd try to enjoy this time doing stuff that I like to do. This has been enjoyable. So, reasons why I am not doing Lego videos right now. Trying not to ruin this painting. So, this is also a reason why this is not going to be done anytime soon. This is time consuming. So in case you're wondering, you ain't done with this yet? No, it's something that takes a long time to do. So right now I'm working on one color. One color and one color only. I'm going to start adding this one color to different aspects of the painting. So you don't just go da 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 da. No, I'm a little more, I don't know, careful about where I'm putting things. So the lighter would be where the sun is going to hit more. And you think the sun hits on top, but it doesn't, because that's the round backing. So, oh, I know this is going to be boring if it's going to be a long video, so I'll cut it right here. I am going to take a break and maybe do some Lego building. So that'll be fun. Did I show you? I'm doing the Birds of Paradise. So this is going to be the male, which got the big elaborate feathers, and this is going to be the female. So I hope you like my painting. Seeing that you like creative things, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to continue. Have a great day. Bye.